The rise of ChatGPT is a remarkable achievement in the field of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT-3 architecture. It is capable of generating human-like responses to natural language prompts and has revolutionized the way we interact with machines. This video will provide a detailed description of the history, development, and future of ChatGPT. The development of ChatGPT is a result of years of research in the field of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. OpenAI, a research institute founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman, started working on the GPT-1 generative pre-trained transformer model in 2018. The GPT-1 was a language model that could generate human-like text in response to a given prompt. It was a significant breakthrough in the field of natural language processing. Following the success of GPT-1, OpenAI went on to develop GPT-2, which was a more advanced version of the language model. GPT-2 is capable of generating longer and more coherent responses to prompts. However, due to concerns about its potential misuse, OpenAI decided not to release the full version of GPT-2 and instead released a smaller version with limited capabilities. In 2020, OpenAI released GPT-3, which was the most advanced language model to date. GPT-3 had 175 billion parameters and was capable of generating highly coherent and human-like responses to natural language prompts. It was a significant breakthrough in the field of natural language processing and led to the development of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is based on the GPT-3 architecture and has been fine-tuned for use in conversational settings. It is capable of generating highly coherent and human-like responses to natural language prompts and has revolutionized the way we interact with machines. ChatGPT is currently one of the most advanced conversational AI systems in the world and is being used by companies and organizations to provide customer service, generate content, and automate various tasks. The future of ChatGPT is bright, and it is expected to continue to revolutionize the way we interact with machines. It is likely that ChatGPT will be integrated into various devices and applications, allowing people to interact with machines in a more natural and intuitive way. ChatGPT is also expected to continue to improve in terms of its capabilities and accuracy, making it an even more powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike. In conclusion, the rise of ChatGPT is a significant achievement in the field of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. It has revolutionized the way we interact with machines and is expected to continue to have a significant impact in the future. ChatGPT is a testament to the power of artificial intelligence and the potential for machines to augment human capabilities in various fields.